Hello, how are you? Welcome in Ashkof Crochet channel. I am Dua. Today I will show you how we can do this stitch. I called it sparrow stitch. It looks like the bird or sparrow stitch, this body and wings. So I will do it and say how I can do it. I used the Himalaya baby looks yarn and hook number 3.5, and to make this stitch we need in the first doing chains uh, uh, duplicate of number 8 plus 2. So I will do 32 chain plus 2 chain in the end. One chain, 2, 3, 4, 5, 33, 34. Now skip the first chain and in the second chain do single crochet, 2 chain, skip 1 chain and in the second one do one single crochet, and in another one single crochet, this single crochet. We will make 5 single crochet in the 5 next chains. This is the fourth and the fifth one. Then do 4 chain, 1, 2, 3, 4, skip 3 chains, 1, 2, 3, and in the fourth do single crochet and continue to 5 single crochet in each stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again 4 chain, skip 3 stitch, 1, 2, 3, in the fourth one single crochet. We'll continue this row by this method: 5 single crochet, 4 chain, 5 single crochet, 4 chain to the end of the row. 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I finish this row, and in the end will be 2 chains. Do 2 chain, skip the first one, and in the second one do single crochet. Then do 6 chain, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Turn the work, and we will work now in these spaces, this space of the last row. Do 1 double crochet, 2, 3, and 4. And 1, 2 in the 3 single crochet, do 1 single crochet. In this space we'll do 4 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, then 4 chain, 2, 3, 4, again 4 double crochet. So in the space we're doing 4 chain, 4 double crochet, 4 chain, 4 double crochet again. 1, 2, 3 4. In the third one of the single crochet we're doing single crochet. I will continue this row by this method. In the space 4 double crochet, 4 chain, 4 double crochet, second one, third one, and the fourth, then 4 chain, 3 4, again 4 double crochet, 1 2 3 and 4. Okay, I will continue this row and I will show you how we will finish it. Now I finished this row, but there is last space is here. I will do on it 4 double crochet, 1 2 3 and 4, then 2 chain, 1 2, and triple crochet. We'll take 2 yarns on the hook and do in the first single crochet here I will do triple single crochet, yarn over, yarn over, yarn over. Row 3 and row 4 will be the repeated for this stitch, so I will every time repeat row 3 and row 4 for the end of my stitch. And this stitch is very nice to do with it scarf or a shawl, or even you can do jacket with it. This stitch is very nice. Don't forget to subscribe us and like, comment. Okay, now the new row I will start with 6 chain, 1 2 3 4 5 6, turn the work. In this space I will do again 4 double crochet, 1 2 3 and 4. Now we will work in each stitch, but I will not take yarn over from the hook. So I will start with first stitch double crochet, and I will not yarn it over. I will pull the yarn like this and take second row, second yarn and pull it, and third one in the third stitch and pull it, take yarn in fourth stitch, I will pull it, the fifth one, 6 7 and 8 and the 9 one. Now in the hook there is 18 yarn. Okay, I will take a yarn on the hook and I will pull it from all these stitches. Then I will make one chain. Okay, this is the first stitch as you show. Then in the space, all these spaces, all time we'll do in it 4 double crochet and 4 chain, 4 double crochet. First one, second one, 3 and the fourth one, 4 chain, 2 3 4 and 4 double crochet again. All these spaces I will do on it 4 double crochet, 4 chain, 4 double crochet, 2, 3 and 4. And again we'll repeat this stitch by take yarn on the hook, insert the hook and pull the yarn and make it comfortable. Don't pull the yarn, make it comfortable. Then the second one, the third one for the third stitch, fourth one for the fourth stitch, the fifth one, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Now take another yarn and make sure this is not comfortable. You pull it very nice and then turn it and pull this yarn for all this stitch. Then do 1 chain. Okay, I will continue this row by this way to the end, and in the end one I will do like every time 4 double crochet and 2 chain and 1 triple crochet. When we will in the end I will show you how we can do it. Now I finished the row and this is the last space who was the 6th chain. Now we will do, as we said, 4 double crochet here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2 chain, 1, 2 and the triple crochet, where we will do it in the 4th chain for the last row, 1, 2, 3, and in the 4th one here I will do this triple crochet, yarn over, yarn over, wait, yarn over. Okay, this is the row number 3. we finish it, look like very nice. Okay, the second row or the 4th row that which says that row 3 and row 4 as we said will be repeated all the time. To begin row number 4 we'll start with 6 chain, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, turn the work, and as every time here we will do 4 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, and by the way this row is easier than the last row, and this row is easier than row number 3 and very easy. As we will see, we will work now in this space here. We'll do take 1 yarn on the hook and then yarn over and make this stitch is comfortable like this yarn, make it comfortable. Take another yarn and yarn it over, third one, yarn over, 4 and the 5th one. Okay, then make your yarn like this. Take this yarn and be sure this yarn is very not comfortable, like I say, it's very tie on the hook, and then pull it and do 1 chain. So we do the buff stitch. Okay, then in this space, as we said, in every time we will do 4 double crochet. This is the first time to me to make English version of my videos, so tell me if my English is good or not. This is the first time to me. And this is the 4th double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 double crochet again, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then in this space we will do 1 puff stitch with 5 double crochet. This is the first yarn on the hook. Make it comfortable like this and catch it with your finger. Second one, hold it with your finger. The third one, hold it with your finger. The fourth one, and the fifth one. Okay, then hold your yarn like this and yarn over all these yarns and make 1 chain. Okay, we will repeat this stitch, puff stitch, 4 double crochet, 4 chain, 4 double crochet, puff stitch like this, 4 double crochet, 4 chain, 4 double crochet, 4 to the end of the row. And this space, as we say every time, we will do 4 double crochet, 2 chain, and the triple crochet. Okay, we will continue row number 3 and row number 4 to the end of this stitch. And to finish this stitch and make it like this or similar, you will not do this 4 chain, you will make it only 1 chain. So we will do the last row or the previous last, you will do 4 chain, 4 double crochet, 1 chain, 4 double crochet, and this stitch, then 4 double crochet, 1 chain, 4 double crochet. And the second or the last row, you will do it 5 chain, single crochet, 5 chain, single crochet, 5 chain, single crochet to the end of the row. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, and see you in the next video inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.